Hi and welcome. In this video I'll show you how to pair your PlayStation controller with your Firestick 4K Max. And the process is exactly the same for a PlayStation 4 or PlayStation 5 controller. And it's easier just to start with the PlayStation controller turned off. So just press and hold that PS button for about 10 seconds until the lights are out. Once that's done, grab your controller and we'll go across to settings, and we want to make sure that the Firestick 4K Max can detect and connect with the PlayStation controller. So we're at settings and we're going to come down the list and across to controllers and Bluetooth devices. Select that. We have a few options here. We want to go to game controllers, add new game controller. It's now searching for a Bluetooth device. Let's grab our PlayStation controller, press and hold the PS and the share or create button at the same time, and wait for the PlayStation controller to start flashing, like so. You can then release the buttons. We'll give this a few moments to pair. Sometimes it pairs straight away, sometimes it can take a few seconds longer. As you can see, the light is still flashing, so it's still discoverable. Add new controller. It says wireless controller. Pairing the controller. And if you look at the bottom of the screen, right corner, it says device connected. The PlayStation light is solid, and you can actually use the PlayStation controller to navigate around the screen, which is a useful backup in case your remote goes missing. Now, if we want to disconnect, forget the device so to speak, grab the remote control, and as it says on the right hand side, press the button with the 3 lines to disconnect. So let's press it once, and now it says press select to confirm unpairing. Bottom right of the screen, device disconnected, wireless controller is now disconnected, and the light is off. So that's how you connect your PlayStation controller to your Firestick 4K Max. I hope you found this video useful. If you have, I really appreciate it. If you can give it a quick thumbs up, it helps me out a great deal. Thank you very much for choosing my video, and I wish you a great day ahead.